Hello everyone and welcome back to Mega Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Raichu from Pokemon. So let's get started. You can start with a C shape from the cheek, going up, then up again for the head to a certain point. Then create the eyes, then you can go with the nose with an oval shape, and then the smile, an horizontal line finishing up. 2 circles in each cheek. Now let's go with the ear. Start from one point to the side, going to the head in a C shape, going up to a tip, and then connect the tips with an ondular shape. Repeat the same for the other ear. Start from one point, going up to a sharp point, and then going down. Finish the shape of the head with a circular line. Now let's go with the arms. In this case we're gonna do a crossing arms, so do one to the side and the other one. Also trim the arms with an ondular shape. Now from the first cheek, go to a shoulder, then going down in an S curve to the leg, another C shape, and complete the belly. From the bottom of the belly, you can start with one line to create the foot. Draw 2 fingers, then going up and trim the foot. Repeat the exact same process for the other foot. Start with the fingers, going up to the side, and then going up. In this case, you draw 3 toes. Add some circular lines for the back. And now let's go with the tail. Draw an S curve going up to a sharp point. Then going all the way up to create the shape of the tail. Then kinda repeat the same shape going back again. And trim the tail. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!